Question 4. A well of diameter 3 meter is dug 14 meter deep. The earth taken out of it has been spread evenly. Evenly means equally. Evenly means equally. You must have heard a statement when we say when we tell someone in English, we are even. We are even means we are equal. Okay? So the earth again means मिट्टी. तो ये आपका cylindrical well है बेटा. आपने इसमें से you have dug it and you have taken out the earth from it. और जो आपने मिट्टी ली, it has been evenly spread all around it. All around it. In the previous question, the earth taken out was used to make a separate platform. Right? Lekin in this question, we are given the earth taken out from it is being used to make evenly spread all around it in the shape of a circular ring of width 4 meter to form an embankment. Find the height of the embankment. Now, children, let us first understand what does it mean to be an embankment. See, I am using this cloth as of now. I cannot make an embankment here, so I am using this cloth to make you understand the meaning of embankment. आप उसके अंदर से मिट्टी निकाल रहे हैं बेटा वेल में से, and then you are spreading that earth around this well only. Have you ever been to village or you remember we went to Chowki Dhani for that class picnic? There also well was there. तो कुएं के आसपास एक raised platform होता है where we stand and take out water from it. Children, anyone who has seen this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is called embankment. जो कुएं के चारों तरफ आप I don't know what is this called exactly in Hindi. जो आप कुएं के चारों तरफ all around it जब आप एक raised platform बना देते हैं, so this is called an embankment. Now the earth taken out is not being spread separately to form a platform, लेकिन इसमें से बेटा मिट्टी निकालते गए और इसके चारों तरफ spread करते गए. Are you getting my point? Right? और ये embankment बन गई. Now we have to find. Yes, Prakshi.
Ma'am, in Hindi, ma'am, it's called chokta.
What is this called?
Chokta.
Okay. Chokta. Okay. Thank you, dear. Now, this is embankment. आपको इस embankment की height निकालनी है. Children, height will depend on what thing?
Volume of the earth taken out.
Volume.
If you are taking out a small portion of earth, you will be able to make a small one. If you are taking out more earth, it will be a bigger one. So we have to find the height of this embankment. Now the concept will remain same. The previous case we did, the volume of earth should be equal to the volume of platform. Here in this case, the volume of earth should be equal to the volume of
Embankment.
Now let us see what is this embankment. Can you see the shape of this embankment?
Circle. Another cylinder.
Ma'am,
Circular spoon.
Ma'am, hollow
What is this?
cylinder. Hollow cylinder.
It's a hollow cylinder.
Hollow cylinder.
Right? But does it have got some width? चौड़ाई है क्या इसकी?
Ma'am, thickness है.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
तो जब बेटा इसके पास thickness आ गई, तो we call it ring, circular ring. I just show you a diagram. If I have a circle and I draw another circle, this is called ring. Right? Now, instead of this circle, flat circle, let us have a cylinder. Okay, one cylinder and will you be calling it a circle? No.
No, ma'am.
Yeah.
No, ma'am.
Embankment.
No.
Your embankment, it is hollow, and if I just raise this portion a bit, I'm trying my best to draw, though my drawing is not that very good. Still I am trying कि कुछ तो बना के आपको दिखा दूं. So ये जो black portion है बेटा, ये बन गया हमारा well. Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is our
Yes, ma'am.
cylindrical well.
Yes, ma'am.
We are taking out earth from it and we are making an embankment like this. G. And the concept we are using it is this one only, that the volume of earth taken out from the well is equal to the volume of embankment. Now, can you please tell me how to find the volume of this embankment?
Ma'am,
How?
volume of well is
Ma'am,
equal to the
Volume of well equals the volume of the embankment.
Now, how to find volume of embankment, children? Should it be the volume of outer cylinder minus the volume of inner cylinder?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus the volume of inner, right? Now, what are the variables needed to find volume of cylinder? Is it pi r square h? So we need
Yes,
r
ma'am.
and we need h also. H is unknown. Height is unknown. वो तो हमने calculate करना है. So what do we need to know? We need to know the outer radius and
Inner radius.
Inner radius.
Now see, inner radius should be equal to the radius of which thing? Use your general knowledge. Inner
Cylinder.
radius. Yes,
Cylinder.
very
Ma'am,
good.
cylinder.
Radius should be equal to the radius of the cylindrical well. And the radius of cylindrical well is 7 meter, 1.5 meter. 3 meter is the diameter.
Ma'am, 3/2.
Radius is 3/2, which is 1.5. And how to find the outer radius? We are given the
Radius
width
of the cylinder plus width.
Inner radius plus
of
the
the
width.
cylinder plus width.
Yes, very good. Inner radius plus this width. How much width we are given?
4 meters.
4 meters.
4 meters.
So the outer radius will be 1.5 meter plus
4, 5.5.
0.5.
5.5.
Are we clear with the question, children?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Question समझ आया आपको? पक्का? Yes. I have tried my best to make you understand. Let me draw this figure somewhere in the side so that we have space to solve it. Let's see. Let me just redraw it quickly. You may also have a rough figure in your register. So this is my cylindrical well. Okay. This is a sort of embankment which is going to be there. Fine. Now inner radius 1.5. This width is 4. For cylindrical well, let radius small r is 3/2 meter, which is equal to 1.5 meter. Depth 14 meter. Okay. For embankment, let inner radius, which is small r, is 1.5 meter. Outer radius, capital R, is small r plus width, which is 1.5 meter plus 4 meter, so equal to 5.5 meter. Okay. And height of embankment. Since we have already used small h, let it be capital H and put a question mark. Okay. Now, according to question, children, which one is unknown? Unknown is a part of embankment. So
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
we shall put that on left side. So according to question, volume of embankment is equal volume of ring. And how to find the volume of ring? I'm
Pi,
writing here.
ma'am, pi
Volume
capital
of
R
ring
square
is
minus small r
outer
square
minus
bracket h.
outer minus inner. Okay. Sorry. This is volume of earth. Embankment तो इधर आ गया ना. Volume of earth from the well taken out from the well. So that is, now volume of embankment will be outer minus inner. So pi capital R square h minus pi small r square capital H. Please be careful with the variables. In the homework question also you have done so much confusion with the variables. Variable should be clear. Volume of earth is volume of
Pi
well.
r
So
square h.
small r square and small h only. Okay? Now anything that can be taken common here?
Pi
Pi
and h.
H.
Pi.
So capital R square minus small r square, which is equal to pi small r square h. From both the sides, let us cancel pi. And children, height is unknown. So this gives me h is equal to r square h divided by capital R square minus small r. Now I will always advise you, please pay attention here. When you have something of the form a square minus b square, please pay attention. Which identity should be applied here? What is a square minus b square?
A plus b, a minus b.
Minus B.
A minus B.
So it will always reduce your calculations. So r minus r plus r. Now you put the values. So this gives me h is equal to small r. It's 1.5 meter into 1.5 meter into 14 meter. Please make sure you are putting units also. This is 5.5 minus 1.5 meter into 5.5 plus 1.5 meter. Okay. Now children, see here. Meter cancel. Meter cancel. What is 5.5 plus 1.5? 7.
7.
7.
6. And then 7 and 14 we can always cancel. 7 ones are 2s are. Okay. And now what is 5.5 minus 1.5?
4.
4.
4. And then this 2 and 4. Right? So in the numerator we have 1.5 into 1.5. What is the square of 15?
225.
225.
25.
5 is the square of 15. And since we have 1.5 into 1.5, so it will 2.25 meter
125.
divided by this 2, which is equal to 1.25 meter. Sorry, 1.125 meter. So what is the height of embankment?
1.125 meters.
0.125 meter.
Yes. Thus, height of embankment is 1.125 meter.